In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-DM your LinkedIn connections and followers. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to log in to your LinkedIn account. Open your web browser, navigate to linkedin.com, and sign in with your credentials. This will take you to your LinkedIn homepage, where you can begin to set up the automation process. Next, we need to install a helpful Chrome extension that will facilitate our Auto DM feature. For this, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Welcome Fi, send LinkedIn welcome messages. This extension is specifically designed to help you send automated messages to your new connections. Once you find it, click on the Add to Chrome button to install the extension. Installing browser extensions is typically straightforward, but just follow the prompts and you'll be all set. Once your extension is installed, it's time to navigate back to your LinkedIn account. In the top toolbar, you'll see an option labeled My Network. Click on that link to access your connections and invitations. In this section, check for any pending invitations. If you have some, click on the Manage button to get a better overview of your network. Now we'll set up the Auto DM tool. Look towards the top right corner of your browser. There's an extension list there. Find the Welcome Feed icon that represents the Welcome Fee extension and click on it. It should open an interface where you can configure your settings. Let's create a message template for your new connections. It's essential to write a professional yet warm greeting that reflects your personality and brand. Take a moment to craft a message that you're excited to send. Perhaps something like, "Hi name, thank you for connecting. I'm looking forward to networking with you and exploring opportunities together." This personal touch could make a great first impression. After you've created your message template, it's time to configure some settings. Consider how many of your incoming connection requests you want to accept automatically. You can set this percentage based on your preferences. This feature is particularly useful if you receive a lot of connection requests and want to streamline the process. Finally, you're ready to activate the Auto DM feature. On the Welcome Feed interface, you'll see an option labeled Start. Click on that button, and the tool will begin sending your personalized message to new connections in real time. It's an efficient way to ensure that every new connection feels welcomed without needing to write each message manually. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automation tool for sending direct messages to your LinkedIn connections. Communicating effectively on LinkedIn can greatly enhance your networking efforts, and this method saves you time while maintaining that personal touch. Thank you for following along with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Happy networking!